HQ400 self-loading mobile mixer truck can assemble a 92 kilowatt Cummins engine. It has features of advanced design, automatic feed mixing system. Easy to operate for only one person. With efficient output, can saving time and saving cost. It with mixing tanker and loader together. The transport mixer is a perfect combination of three functions. Now the mixer truck guarantee time is 12 months. We have perfect after-sales service, can send you the spare parts by DHL in time. The mixer truck also with 270-degree rotating mixing tank discharge and electrical wheel ginger system etc. for option.